Today, we're diving into the world of aromatherapy, a practice that has been used for centuries to promote relaxation, alleviate stress, and boost overall well-being. Join us on this aromatic journey as we explore the power of essential oils and how they can positively impact your life. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our wellness explorations. So, what exactly is aromatherapy? At its core, aromatherapy is the art and science of using natural plant extracts, known as essential oils, to enhance our physical and emotional health. These essential oils are extracted through various methods, like steam distillation or cold pressing, preserving the pure essence of the plant. Did you know that our sense of smell is incredibly powerful? It's linked to our emotions and memories, making aromatherapy an excellent tool for improving mood and reducing stress. Inhaling the right essential oils can calm your nerves, lift your spirits, and even help you sleep better. It's like a soothing hug for your soul. Now, let's talk practicality. How can you incorporate aromatherapy into your daily life? One popular method is using an aromatherapy diffuser, which disperses the aroma throughout your space, creating a serene atmosphere. You can also make your own essential oil rollers, customized to address your specific needs. It's super easy and cost-effective. Alright, let's get into some must-know essential oils. We'll cover classics like lavender for relaxation, peppermint for energy, and eucalyptus for congestion relief. Stay tuned for our essential oil deep dive. But hold on, safety is paramount in aromatherapy. Always dilute essential oils properly to avoid skin irritation, and be cautious if you have pets or are pregnant. We'll walk you through all the do's and don'ts. We've got some amazing stories from folks who've experienced real-life benefits from aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is often used as a complementary or alternative therapy to promote relaxation, alleviate certain symptoms, and support overall well-being. However, it's important to note that aromatherapy is not typically considered a cure for specific illnesses. Instead, it can provide relief from certain symptoms and help with managing certain conditions. Here are some examples of conditions and symptoms that aromatherapy may help with. Stress and anxiety. Aromatherapy can promote relaxation and reduce stress and anxiety levels. Essential oils like lavender, chamomile, and bergamot are commonly used for this purpose. Insomnia. Certain essential oils, such as lavender and cedarwood, may help improve sleep quality and ease insomnia. Headaches and migraines. Peppermint and lavender essential oils are often used to alleviate headaches and migraines when applied topically or inhaled. Nausea. Aromatherapy, particularly with ginger or peppermint essential oils, can help reduce feelings of nausea, especially in pregnancy or during travel. Pain and inflammation. While not a cure, essential oils like eucalyptus, rosemary, and frankincense may provide relief from minor aches and pains associated with conditions like arthritis or muscle soreness. Respiratory issues. Essential oils such as eucalyptus and tea tree can help ease congestion and promote easier breathing in cases of mild respiratory issues like the common cold or allergies. Skin conditions. Some essential oils, like tea tree oil and lavender, may provide relief from minor skin conditions like acne, eczema, or insect bites. Digestive problems. Peppermint and ginger essential oils are often used to alleviate symptoms of indigestion and bloating. Menstrual cramps. Aromatherapy using essential oils like clary sage and lavender may help ease menstrual cramps and discomfort. Depression. Aromatherapy can be a part of a holistic approach to managing symptoms of depression by promoting relaxation and a sense of well-being. Oils like bergamot and ylang-ylang are sometimes used. Cognitive function. Some research suggests that certain essential oils, such as rosemary and peppermint, may help improve cognitive function and focus, although the evidence is not conclusive. Remember, the power of aromatherapy lies in its natural, holistic approach to wellness. So, why not give it a try? Your well-being deserves it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or personal experiences with aromatherapy, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more wellness tips and tricks on your channel name. Until next time, breathe in, breathe out, and take care.